actually fit in for you?
Sir, this job is a challenging job. जैसे कि बाकी के जो jobs होते हैं वो ऑफिस वर्क होता है, but it is a field work. इसमें डेली बेसिस पे हम नए नए लोगों से मिल सकते हैं, अपनी जो कैपेबिलिटी है उसको और इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. एंड सर ये जैसे कि एक चैलेंजिंग जॉब है, तो हमारे पास एक चैलेंज होगा कि हमें ये करना है. और सर जब भी हमारे पास एक चैलेंज होता है तो हम अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज को 100% यूज कर पाते हैं. सो मैं इस जॉब को मैं इस जॉब को अपने आप को एक इम्प्रूव करने का एक मीडियम की तरह देखती हूँ सर. Sir, am I audible?
Are you able to hear me? Excuse me, you are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Now it is going live. It is going on live and good. So Sana Ansari, have you come across Sana Ansari, have you come across any other LIC ADO with whom you have had discussion? आपने किसी LIC ADO से बात किया है to know type of work and all? बात किया नहीं किया?
सर बात तो नहीं किया है, बट मैंने सर इसके बारे में सर्च किया है गूगल से एंड यूट्यूब पे. मैंने कुछ वीडियोस देखे हैं जो ऑफिसर हैं ऑलरेडी, तो उनका एक्सपीरियंस उन्होंने शेयर किया है, तो मैंने वो सब देखा हुआ है.
Speak in English.
Yeah. Speak. No. She is telling that she has not met any ADO, but she has gone through YouTube videos of people who are actually development officers, and she has come to know about that. And here one girl is there. What is her name? Sangeeta told me she knows one ADO or DO. ADO. She, I think she is DO or ADO now.
DO, sir.
Acha, she has become DO, and in fact that is a case of a girl who was ADO once for 3 years, then resigned for family purposes. Again she took it up, and now she is again successful ADO. So if you come across such people, please bring them here or give their number to me. Give my number to them. Ask them suitable time for me to talk to them. They will be able to give us a lot of information that will be very, very useful. Could you follow this, Sana Ansari?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, Monica Sen of Tamil Nadu. Monica Sen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I'm here.
Did you go through the posts I have made in our WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir.
In the WhatsApp group, what are the new items I have posted?
So new items about the triple train crash, sir.
Very good. I posted one triple train crash. Triple train crash took place in which state?
Sir, in Odisha, sir.
It is in near which city?
Sir, exactly. It will BOL something. Bolhara, I think so, sir.
Who can tell? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? It is Balasore. Balasore.
Sorry, okay, sir.
Yeah, I want you to know the names of trains involved in accident. Number 1, Howrah Chennai Express. Then
Okay,
one goods train, and it seems another one, Bengaluru Howrah Express. So I don't know the full details. I am there in Canada. I could not get time to read it. I want all of at least 1 or 2 of you to prepare, Saravana Kumar to prepare seriously about that. Make a write-up for about 10 lines and post it in our WhatsApp group. Saravana Kumar. Saravana Kumar. And also I will give this assignment to another person, Tomol Sarkar.
Okay,
Tomol,
sir.
you also do it. Both of you put it in our WhatsApp page. Okay, good.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. In fact, Tomol Sarkar was asking a question yesterday, and I told him, you please raise this topic in the
Yes,
class.
yes, sir.
What is
Sir,
the
I-
topic?
yes, sir. So the topic is about marketing related questions. Means how they will questions how they will frame the questions regarding marketing, like, and how we have to answer that marketing related question. So these are the some I have मुझे थोड़ा टेंशन हो रहा है सर, because I'm not from this marketing field. That's why.
No, majority of the people are not from marketing field, but basically marketing में success होने के लिए what are the qualities required? बताइए.
Leadership.
Now let us make it a brainstorming. Each one of you can speak out in one or two sentences. So what are the qualities required for a marketing person or LIC ADO to become very successful? In fact, I have given that content also. I have given. Yeah, pardon, perseverance. Good.
Perseverance and hard working and dedication.
Very good. Perseverance and hard working and dedication. Good. Come on, continue. Anybody can speak. Quick.
Sir, communication skills are very important here in the marketing field, because marketing persons are required to reach people, different segment of different demographics of people, and they have to communicate with them. So good communication is skill required in this field.
Good communication skill in English language or in local language. जिस language में चाहिए.
हाँ सर, जिस लैंग्वेज में चाहिए सर. अगर मतलब जहाँ पर पोस्टिंग होगा वहाँ पर मुझे जो लोकल लैंग्वेज है उसको तो आना ही चाहिए. उसके बाद सर कुछ ऐसे कम्युनिटी भी होता है जो सर, सपोज हम वेस्ट बंगाल में है तो 90% तो लोग वेस्ट बंगाल में बंगाली समझता ही है लिखने में पढ़ने में, और कुछ लोग हैं जो सर अदर्स कम्युनिटी से आता है, लाइक सर वो लोग हिंदी बोलता है, या फिर उससे कुछ लोगों को इंग्लिश कंफर्टेबल होता है. सो हमको सभी लैंग्वेज में, मतलब कि लोकल लैंग्वेज हिंदी और इंग्लिश में कंफर्टेबल होना चाहिए.
Yeah, we have to be comfortable. That is what I have been telling people. Many candidates are asking, sir, interview local language में होगा और अंग्रेजी में होगा. I told them the interview will be in 60% your local language, 40% in English also. So supposing somebody comes from Kannada region, oh Kannada gottagitta. Then talk in English. I don't know Kannada, that's why I'm just making fun. Understand? Yeah.
Yes,
So come on, all of you, tell what are the qualities required. Come out quickly. Hirak Jodi Talukdar. बोलिए.
गुड नॉलेज होना चाहिए प्रोडक्ट के लिए, जिससे हम इजी लैंग्वेज में उसे एक्सप्लेन कर सके और ट्रस्ट बिल्डअप कर सके. क्योंकि जो पर्सन है, अगर वो हम पे ट्रस्ट करेगा तो हम अपना प्रोडक्ट उससे अच्छे से बेच सकते हैं, सेल कर सकते हैं.
Sana is telling the person must have a good knowledge and he must be able to clarify the doubts of the customers. And then only he can create trust in the minds of the customers. Very good. Next, Nayak, please. Please
Sir,
tell
the
some.
ability.
Ah,
Sorry.
Saravana Kumar, tell.
Yeah, sure, sir. The personal characters, like they must be cooperative and they must be punctual and also has the ability to direct others. So they have the ability to convince others to what we say.
Okay, good. Next, anybody else who
Sir,
can come?
can I speak in Telugu, sir?
Please speak Telugu, no problem.
Sir, perseverance and hard working and dedication, 3 qualities are required to manage the agents, sir.
Okay. Managing agents alone will do, or you should also do work?
I should also work, sir.
Correct. Very good. Next, anybody else? Come on, quick.
Sir, for a successful future in this marketing, everyone should have a good communication skill, and he should be also aware about the new products that the LIC has introduced, and he should be able to convince the client about the positive side of the product, and then he should be able to make them comfortable and make them buy the products and make it trustful.
सर
Tell me.
तो जो भी कंप्लेंट होंगे पॉलिसी होल्डर्स के उनको अच्छे से सॉर्ट आउट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि माउथ एडवर्टाइजिंग जो होता है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट प्ले रोल करता है मार्केटिंग में.
Good. See, people come and join based on word of mouth. Mouth advertisement नहीं बोलना है, word of mouth publicity. समझ गया साना?
सर सॉरी, प्लीज रिपीट करना.
It should be told as word of mouth publicity. Word.
Okay, sir.
Word of mouth publicity. आप लोग अभी हमारा से क्यों आया? आपने तो ये गूगल में देखा और कई दूसरे लोग से बात किया, वो लोग आपको मेरा क्लास का बारे में बोला है, इसी वजह से तो अब आए. समझ गया?
Sir, in marketing, social media also play vital role, sir.
Marketing means what? Tell me. Speak.
Sir, this is marketing, sir. So we should not hesitate to speak to unknown persons.
Very good.
Sir, he should be flexible so that he can work in any time. He will be available for the client for every time.
Every time means
like if the client is free in after 6 p.m. and all, we should be ready to go and approach them. So we should be flexible to do the work always.
Very good, very good, very good. Excellent. Then anybody else? Hirak Jyoti Talukdar.
Yes, sir.
बोलो ना, कुछ ना बात है, अच्छा बात.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. An ADO is responsible for mentoring and guiding the team agents. They are also involved in promoting insurance policies to maximize the company's risk. And team management and leadership skill is also important and for this position.
Okay. Next, Nayak has not spoken. Nayak, speak. Nayak, Lovely Chakma. Lovely Chakma, not spoken. Are you able to hear me, Monica?
Sir, yes, sir, I can hear.
Oh, but I don't know why this Lovely and all not hearing. Lovely not hearing. Then,
sir, can I add one more point?
Yeah.
Yeah, as an ADO officer, we should be able to build a good relationship with our LIC agents, and we should be able to make them happy, and we should always support them so that they will be interested to do the work.
Yeah, let this question be there as it is. In one interview, you must have heard that I have posted in our WhatsApp group also. I have told you. In that question, it goes like this. See, you are a lady and you have to go for marketing. And कभी marketing में people may ask you to come at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the night to meet them. What will you do? Did anyone watch this video? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Who watched that? Who watched that, please? Because that is a very good video, not because I spoken about it. It contains the questions. It contains the questions that were asked in the interview. This is the one. Are you getting sound? Are you getting sound, please? Huh?
Yes, sir.
No. Are you getting this? This one? Hello, candidates. Let me read out the questions that were asked in the interview. This one happened on 1st of November in Delhi. No introduction was asked. Direct questions were put, and direct questions were put. And why are you coming to insurance? ADO roles and responsibilities. Why? Are you able to hear me, Sana Ansari?
Yes, sir.
Insurance coverage in India is low. How can it be improved? Why should people choose insurance over say banking or some other? He has written FD, I don't know what it is. Oh, why should people choose insurance more than fixed deposit? Okay. How would you recruit agents? Asked me, as I am from young generation and will recruit young people, but how will you get work done? New and interesting ways of recruiting agents. How would you retain agents? Asked me to come with them and visit LIC's stall and talk to people for 10 minutes and convince them to take policy. I agreed, but it did not go. Very good. This was the interview for one guy. For another person, this also happened on. Yeah, very good. Based on these 5 or 6 questions, do you have doubts regarding any one of these questions that have been asked so far to this candidate? Yeah.
तो क्या आंसर देना है कि आप लेडीज हो और आपको है ना लेट में बुलाएंगे तो जाओगे क्या?
हाँ, गुड क्वेश्चन. इसको बोलना है, सर हमने तो कॉलेज में पढ़ने का समय पर भी ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, हम एनजीओ एक्टिविटीज में भी इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं, लोग से इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, हमको डरेगा नहीं है. I will not fear about talking to people, moving out at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock also. My parents also will permit me to go out at 8 o'clock in the night also for canvassing. But 100% आप manage कर सकते हैं. You can tell your agent, look boy, हम तो बहुत रात में तो नहीं आ सकते हैं, तुमको होगा तो तुम कर लो, हम लोग उनको मीट करेगा 5 बजे ना 4 बजे शाम को में मीट करेगा. ऐसा मैनेज कर सकते हैं. लेकिन इंटरव्यू सिचुएशन में आपने ये आंसर देना है that I will go without any difficulty because I am a confident person. If you have practiced karate and all that also, you can tell. Okay, Sana?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
But ये बात है, whatever ये आंसर बोलने से whether he will be convinced or not, वो भगवान जाने, हम लोग नहीं जानते. फिर भी हम लोग इस आंसर को कॉन्फिडेंटली उनसे बताना है. Very good. Now, anybody has got any doubts regarding the questions that have been asked to this particular one candidate? We will go for the next candidate. Come on. Yeah. Say 1st of November. Here, this person says there were 3 male members, Amravati division. First, brief introduction. Why don't you apply for higher education if you are, because you are only 23 years? Tell me something about LIC. What is the helpline number of LIC? What are your hobbies? Examples. How will you handle agents? Your age is 23 only. Convince me to become an agent. That was for one candidate. Yeah. Now another. Now, among these questions, anybody has got any doubt? Like say, how will you convince an agent to join? Then any other questions which you feel are difficult to answer, you can raise questions so that we can ask other candidates to answer. And I will also try to help you in this regard. Tomol Sigdar, बोलो ना।
हाँ सर, इसमें एक क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था, मैंने देखा कि लोग क्यों एफडी करे, इंश्योरेंस करे या एफडी करे। मतलब अगर सर वो पूछे जे which one will have to choose between FD and insurance, then how will tackle this question?
Good question. How will you tackle this question? Anybody knows how will you manage this?
Yes, sir. मैं बताऊं?
Please tell.
Yes, sir. Sir, हम ये बता सकते हैं कि एफडी में जो पैसे हैं वो है ना एक पीरियड के लिए फिक्स्ड रहेगा, लेकिन इंश्योरेंस में जो है दोनों में अगर हम लॉन्ग टर्म में देखें तो जो पीरियड ऑफ टाइम है उसके लिए पैसे तो है ना हमारे उसमें ही रहेंगे, लेकिन इंश्योरेंस में एक एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट है कि आपको कवर मिल रहा है अगर वो इवेंट हैपन हो जाता है तो उस पर कोई टाइम की लिमिट नहीं है। जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर 2 इयर्स की पॉलिसी है लेकिन वो इवेंट जो है 1 मंथ के आफ्टर ही हो गया, जैसे कि मान लीजिए डेथ हो गई या फिर डिसेबिलिटी हो गई या एक्सीडेंट हो गया।
हेलो, आपने क्या कितना साल पॉलिसी बताया? कितना साल पॉलिसी बताया
सर? जैसे कि 2 इयर्स।
नो, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में तो इतना कम पीरियड में नहीं होता है, होता है अभी लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में प्रधानमंत्री जन धन बीमा योजना एंड ऑल ओनली 1 ईयर पॉलिसी, ओनली 1 ईयर पॉलिसी। आपने इस टर्म को लूजली यूज कर दो, माने इफ द इवेंट हैपेंस विद इन द पॉलिसी पीरियड।
यस सर।
बोलो।
यस सर, अगर इवेंट पॉलिसी पीरियड में हो जाता है तो है ना वहां पे डेथ क्लेम या फिर मैच्योरिटी क्लेम जो है, डेथ क्लेम जो है वो मिल जाएगा, जो कि एफडी में नहीं है। तो ये एक एडवांटेज है इंश्योरेंस लेने का और द एफडी।
करेक्ट। एनी अदर क्वेश्चन आंसर? Yeah.
Sir, would you please explain that in English? I'm not able to.
She was telling that when a person approaches for LIC policies, I will talk to him to convince him to take policies instead of fixed deposit. Because here in the case of fixed deposit, maybe you will get a higher rate of interest, but the risk of the insured is covered in life policy, and if death happens within the life policy period, his nominee will be paid the amounts. Could you follow? So it is a best advantage is the policy covers the risk also, and the risk coverage is more compensating than the difference between FD policy and insurance policy. Not only that, you can also state like this. आजकल तो interest rate भी बहुत कम होता है. We have seen in the previous year, 2020, 21 and all, interest rate बहुत good जाता है. That is, they come down. And you can also add one more point. In the case of LIC, if the policy is with bonus, with the profits, उनको bonus भी मिलेगा. समझ गया? Sana ji?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. Any other questions? In this boy's questions, you are not able to answer. Are you okay with the other questions? Shall we go for the next one? Very good.
Sir, I have one question. सर एक्चुअली फिक्स डिपॉजिट में क्या होता है कि मेरे पास अगर लम सम अमाउंट है लाइक 5 लाख 6 लाख सपोज, तो उसमें उसको क्या करता है, बैंक में जाकर डिपॉजिट करता है 5 ईयर 10 ईयर जैसे स्कीम होगा। तो लेकिन सर अगर मेरे पास लमसम अमाउंट है तो मैं सर इंश्योरेंस कैसे करवाऊँ? मतलब इंश्योरेंस में तो सर मंथली या फिर क्वार्टरली प्रीमियम जमा करना पड़ता है या फिर ईयरली।
No,
तो
no, no.
5 लाख, हाँ
No. I think you are not aware about this. आजकल LIC में they have come out with single payment policy also. Anybody
Okay,
knows
okay.
about that? Anybody
Yes,
knows about that single payment policy? Please
Yes,
tell.
sir.
Please tell about that.
सर सिंगल प्रीमियम पॉलिसी में जो प्रीमियम होता है वो पॉलिसी के स्टार्टिंग में ही पे कर दिया जाता है एंड और द पीरियड ऑफ द टाइम जो फिक्स्ड पीरियड होता है पॉलिसी का, उसमें जब भी क्लेम रेज होगा तो आपको क्लेम मिल जाएगा। एंड अगर मैच्योरिटी पूरी हो जाती है तो फिर अगर विद प्रॉफिट है तो प्रॉफिट के साथ जो भी बोनस एडिशन है वो सम एश्योर्ड के साथ मिल जाएगा। एंड सर वन मोर थिंग वी कैन ऐड इन इंश्योरेंस बेनिफिट, दैट इज द इनकम टैक्स बेनिफिट सर, जो कि एफडी में आई थिंक नहीं है या है, आई एम नॉट क्लियर अबाउट इट, बट सर है एफडी में।
No, FD में what is your doubt?
सर इनकम टैक्स बेनिफिट जो कि 1.5 लाख का मिलता है लाइफ इंश्योरेंस लेने पे।
एग्जैक्टली ये पॉइंट आप बोल सकते हैं। सेक्शन 80 CC ऑफ इंडियन इनकम टैक्स एक्ट, उसका ऊपर में now if you invest up to 1.5 lakhs it is exempted from income tax, but but nowadays ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि हमारा गवर्नमेंट ने नया regime को लिया रहा है। They are bringing our income tax to new regime. Under the new regime there is no relaxation for the LIC investments. In fact, this is a very great blow for LIC, life insurance companies. See, पहले there was incentive for investing in LIC policies. Now what they did, they raised the income tax limit and made it open. चाहिए तो जमा दो, नहीं होने से मत जमा दो, क्योंकि लोग खर्चा नहीं करते हैं। लोग खर्चा करने के लिए तो ऐसा भी कोशिश किया है हमारा फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री, उन्होंने बोला है पीपल यू प्लीज स्पेंड मनी। दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई द न्यू regime has come. But we can mention that also. If you opt for old regime, आपको 1.5 लाख तक exemption कर सकते हैं। Good point. Yeah, good. Any other points you would like to add? Come on. All of you are able to. Yeah.
सर सेक्शन 10D जो है इनकम टैक्स एक्ट 1961 का, उसके अंडर जो भी मैच्योरिटी बेनिफिट मिलता है सम एश्योर्ड, उस पे भी एग्जेम्पशन होता है, तो इसमें कुछ चेंजेस हैं?
No, उसमें तो कोई चेंजेस नहीं है, and they will but only in respect of 5 lakhs and above premium. Hello. Only there are some restrictions regarding that, where the payment of premium made is over 5 lakhs in a year. When that money is withdrawn, it is subject to some income tax, but that will not affect our business because हमारा तो majority business low amount में होता है। समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
Good. Any other questions? And all of you are able to understand. Please don't tell me I am not able to understand because it is Hindi and all that. You must know Hindi. You need not know Hindi, but if you know English, I can just explain it to you. But there is one boy who joined yesterday. Has he come today? Srinivas. He was telling, sir, I am very good in Kannada only. Have you come today, Srinivas? Kannada boy. Kannada boy. In fact, I wanted him to come to class, but he has not come. Koi baat nahi. Lovely Chakma and all not opening mouth. Nayak, these fellows never open their mouth. If you don't open your mouth, it is not possible for you to impress on the customers. Could you follow? Very good. Now, in fact, any other points, any other questions till now?
Sir, I do have one more point, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, both fixed deposit and life insurance policies can be withdrawn. You can withdraw your fixed deposits at any time by sending any notification to your banks. But whereas a lock-in period of 3 to 5 years is applicable for life insurance plans, sir.
No, but I don't think there is. Maybe there are a few policies, but majority policies may you can take back the money, but only condition problem is if you withdraw within 3 years, they won't give you any money. Some
Exactly,
conditions.
sir.
Yeah, Harigaran, are you there? Harigaran has not come. Acha, acha. Bharadwaj, have you come? No. So those people, you know, some within 3 years means they won't give you back the money. Only after 3 years surrender policy comes and surrender value will be given. Us samay par bhi the loss is very severe. But negative point ko hum log baat mat karna hai. Correct? Excuse me. We are now
Yes, sir.
going to sell LIC policy. हम लोग LIC policy का बढ़िया point ही बताना है.
Sir, इसके
Negative
लिए
points. Yeah, but you must know that also. Tell me.
सर we can mention the mortgage redemption loan means जो लोन ले सकते हैं हम लोग इसको LIC पॉलिसी को यूज करके, सर ये भी क्या मेंशन कर सकते हैं?
I mean, they can raise loan against LIC policies. Yes, you can tell that as an advantage. Correct.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Sir, if the customer, sorry, sir, if the client appeals that there is a flaw, like you can only withdraw after 3 years, then how can we convince them, sir?
No. If he says, but you can tell him he has the advantage of the life insurance being covered during these 3 periods. That's an extra advantage. Something like that you have to speak. Ye baat nahi hai. It is not that wherever we speak, people will get convinced. No. Out of 100 people you are meeting, 10 people will talk to you. Out of 10 people, 2 people may come and open the policy, and out of that, 1 person will only approve it of finally. That is dunya. Samajh gaya? No, I am not
Yes,
discouraging. I am not discouraging you, but this is the fact of life. This is the fact of life. Now, I would request those who are online, say, Lovely Chakma, can you speak now? Nayak, can you speak now? Some people, okay.
Yes, sir.
So, Nayak, can you speak now?
Yes, sir.
Please read the content on the board. To be a successful insurance, come on.
To be a successful insurance assistant development officer in India, there are several qualities and skills that are essential. Here are some important qualities needed for the role. The excellent communication skill. As an ADO, you will be required to interact with clients, explain insurance policies, and convince potential customers to invest in life insurance. Effective communication skills, both verbal and written, are a crucial role for building trust, understanding customer needs, and explaining complex insurance concept in a simple manner. Sales and marketing acumen, a significant part of the ADO role involves sales. Sir, not seeing clearly.
The screen is not. Yeah. Sales and marketing.
ADO should have a deep understanding. Sales and marketing activities. You should have a strong understanding of your sales techniques, be able to identify potential leads, and have the ability to close deals. A proactive approach, persuasive skills, and the ability to
persuasive skill. Persuasive skills means किसी को छोड़ेगा नहीं है, उसको बार बार repeatedly बोलना, please take it करके बोलिए.
To build and maintain a relationship with the clients are essential. Knowledge of insurance products and industry. A successful ADO should have a deep understanding of various life insurance products, including their future benefits and suitability for different customer needs. Keeping up to date with industry trends, regulations, and changes in insurance policy is a crucial to provide accurate and relevant information to clients. Customer-centric approach.
Hello, when you are reading, you should read thinking you are remembering it, you are understanding it. Don't simply read like a newspaper reader and not remember it. You must remember each and every point you are reading. Now, Saravana Kumar, number 4 point. Saravana
Sure,
Kumar, yeah.
Yes, sir. Customer-centric approach. Putting the customer's needs first is a key attribute for an ADO. You should be empathetic, patient, and willing to understand and address customer concerns. Building long-term relationship with clients, providing excellent customer services, and being responsible to their queries and claims are vital for success.
Continue.
Strong networking and relationship building skills. A successful ADO builds a network of contacts with the target market. This includes cultivating relationship with potential clients, referral sources, and other professionals in related industries. Active participation in community events and professional organizations can help in expanding your network.
See, actually, ADO sab kya karega? They have to be in close contact with the insurance agents. If you don't follow insurance agents, वो लोग क्या करेगा? अपना घर में शादी करने के लिए चला जाएगा और एंजॉय करेगा. अपना घर में शादी करने के लिए चला जाएगा और काम नहीं करेगा. So you should have a close follow-up. Then कभी कभी बड़ा बड़ा कस्टमर आता है, उनसे आप touch the ADO should have close contact and then try to establish close relationship with those people also. इसका अलावा they should join Lions Club, JC's club. पता नहीं what are the clubs nowadays that are there in India. He should become member of such clubs so that he will meet such big people in the parties and he will try to canvass for policies there also. In fact, 50 साल पहले तो LIC एजेंट को देखने से तो लोग डरते हैं, सब फटाफट चल जाएगा आपसे. If they meet some LIC ADO or LIC agent, उनको देखने से ये लोग फटाफट गाड़ी लेके चला जाएगा, क्योंकि ये लोग आके आपको झंझट करेगा, बात करेगा और फोर्स करेगा. But now people are understanding LIC is useful, so people will be willing to take up policies provided you make sincere efforts. So the point here is you may have to join clubs, associations, so that you can develop your contacts and try to improve business. Now, next person to read will be Shruti, ADO Shruti. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Number
Time
6.
management and organizational skills. As an ADO, you will have multiple responsibilities, including meeting sales targets, managing paperwork, and conducting client meetings. Effective time management, prioritization, and organizational skills are essential to handle the workload efficiently and meet deadlines.
Please read again.
Time management and organizational skills. As an ADO, you will have multiple responsibilities, including meeting sales target, managing paperwork, and conducting client meetings. Effective time management, prioritization, and organizational skills are essential to handle the workload efficiently and meet deadlines.
In fact, this point is coming exactly at a time when Hariharan is coming 45 minutes late.
Sir, in my
What happened? Hariharan,
சார் ஆக்சுவலா நீங்க பேங்கோட ஃபவுண்டேஷன் டே சார், எங்களோட 15 இயர்ஸ் செலிப்ரேஷன் சார். அதனால ஃபங்க்ஷன்ல இருந்துட்டு போன் சார்ஜ் இல்ல. ஆல்ரெடி மெசேஜ் போட்டிருந்தேன் சார், குரூப்ல உங்களுக்கு மெசேஜ் அப்படியே போட்டிருந்தேன், இந்த சாட்டிங்லயே போட்டிருந்தேன்.
ஓஹோ, வெரி குட், வெரி குட். சரி, பரவாயில்ல. இட்ஸ் ஓகே, நோ ப்ராப்ளம்.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார்.
Very good. Now, after Shruti, Naresh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Naresh, can you read point number 7 and 8?
Integrity and ethics. Being involved in the insurance industry requires a high level of integrity and ethical conduct. Clients trust ADOs with their financial well-being, so it is crucial to act in their best interest, maintain confidentiality, and adhere to legal and ethical guidelines. Adaptability and willingness to learn. The insurance industry is dynamic and continuously evolving. Being adaptable to change, open to learning new products and technologies, and staying updated with the market trends will help you succeed as an ADO. Remember, these qualities can be developed and honed with experience and training. Continuous learning and self-improvement are vital for long-term success in the life insurance industry.
Yes, something more is coming. 9, excellent communication skills, sales, marketing, and acumen, customer centric. Same thing. I think it has same point has been repeated twice in this. It doesn't matter. This thing I have given you in the materials. I have given you in the material. I have given you in the material also. Good.
So please send me on WhatsApp, sir, this material.
No, it is there in the LIC ADO material I have given you. There is one material, LIC ADO interview. Are you seeing on the screen? In that, this one, documents needed for LIC. समझ गया?
Documents needed LIC.
इसका top में ये दे दिया, because I am not able to create a new Word file. इसलिए ऐसा कर दिया. Very good. Now, next question is very important. This is a question they are asking. Tell me about the types of financial instruments. Tell me about the types of financial instruments. This question is very, very important. Hariharan, please read the answers. This also I have given to you in your folder. Please read, Hariharan. Hariharan, you are there or not? Sangeeta is there. Sangeeta, irkiyama? Padima. Padi pakala. In India,
there are various types of financial instruments available for individual and business to invest in or use for different financial purposes. Here are some common type of financial instrument in India. Stocks. Stocks, also known as shares or equities, represent ownership in the company. Investing in a stock allows individual to participate in the company's growth and profit through capital appreciation and dividends. Bonds are debt instrument issued by government.
No. Bonds are debt instruments. Be silent.
Debt instrument issued by governments, municipalities, or corporation to raise capital. When you purchase a bond, you are essentially lending money to the issuers in exchange for periodic instrument payments and the returns of the principal amount at maturity. Mutual funds. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in the diversified portfolio of
Diversified
securities.
portfolio.
Diversified portfolio of securities such as stocks, bonds, and money market instruments. Investors in mutual fund own unit proportionate to their investment and share in the fund's gains and losses. Fixed deposit. Fixed deposit are the type of investment offered by banks and non-banking financial institutions. In an FD, you deposit a sum of money for the fixed period and the institution pay you interest at the predetermined rate. FD are considered low risk investment. Public Provident Fund, PPF. PPF is a long-term saving scheme backed by the Indian government. It offers attractive interest rate and tax benefits. Individual can contribute a certain amount annually and earn interest on their deposits. The maturity period is 15 years and partial withdrawal are allowed after a certain period. National Serving Certificate, NSC. NSCs are fixed income investment, fixed income investment option offered by the Indian government. They have a fixed tenure and provide a fixed interest rate. NSCs can be purchased from post office and are considered low risk investment.
Now, every 3 months, they change the interest. From April, the rate of interest is 7.5%. 7.5%. In 115 months, it will get doubled. Continue 23.
Real Estate Investment Trustees. REITs or investment vehicle that pulls money from investors to invest in income generating real estate properties. By investing in REITs, individuals can participate in the real estate market without directly owning properties. Exchange Traded Fund, ETF. In this,
it's not coming.
No, sir.
Sorry. ETFs.
ETFs are investment fund traded on stock exchange, representing a basket of securities like stocks, bonds, or commodities. They offer diversification and are designed to track specific index and or sectors. Insurance policies such as life insurance, health insurance, and general insurance provide financial protection against specific risks. Premiums are paid in exchange for coverage and in the event of claim. The insurance company provide compensation.
Derivatives.
Derivatives are financial contracts whose value is derived from an underlying asset. In India, derivatives include future contracts, option contracts, and swaps, which are commonly traded on stock exchange.
But some of these points may be difficult for you, but remember whatever you are able to understand. Continue. These are
just a few examples of the financial instruments available in India. Each instrument has its own characteristics, risk profiles, and potential returns. So it's important to research and understand them before making any investment decision. Additionally, it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor or professional to assess your financial goal and risk appetite before investing.
Risk appetite before investing.
Sir,
Yeah.
please explain derivative term.
Which one?
Derivatives.
Derivatives. Derivatives are financial contracts whose value is derived from an underlying asset. In India, derivative includes futures contracts, options contracts, and swaps, which are commonly traded on stock exchange. These are used in stock exchanges. These are used in stock exchanges where people will enter into agreement for buying some stock on a future date at some rate. And even if that if the value of that shares comes down, you will have to buy it. Otherwise, you have to pay penalty on that. Now, this I am not very comfortable with that. Let me tell you by looking into this India derivatives in stock market. I think it is there in finance market also. The derivatives market in India is a financial market where investors trade in financial instruments whose value is derived from an underlying asset such as stocks, indices, currencies, or commodities. Derivatives are financial contracts that derive their value from the price movements of these underlying assets. For example, if say if you want to buy TCS shares now, let us assume TCS share price is 1,000 rupees and you agree to purchase it at 1,010 rupees after 15 days. So and if by the 10 days the TCS share price is coming down and you don't want to buy it at 10,000, 1,010, then for that compensation you may have to pay some money. So like that, but don't worry about it. इतना तकलीफ बहुत तो आपको पूछेगा नहीं है. फिर भी आपको चाहिए तो you can go to Google like this and search. You will get, does India have derivatives? Does India have derivatives? Question. And is trading on derivatives legal in India? Then which derivative is not traded on Indian stock market? Swaps or not? Swaps means interchange. Likewise, how big is Indian derivative market? In the last 10 years, the equity derivatives daily average turnover purchased increased 42 times. Yeah, that is, it is increasing. It is always in the increasing. How many derivatives are there in India? India has two types of derivatives market: exchange traded market and over-the-counter market. Then can NRI do derivatives in India? No, only a person resident in India as defined in Section 2(1) of FEMA Act are allowed to participate. FEMA means Foreign Exchange Management Act. Which derivatives are banned by SEBI to curb inflation of securities? The Board of India prohibited exchanges from launching new derivatives contracts. See, they include it in the terms of commodities also, like soya bean, mustard seeds, channa, wheat, paddy, among crude palm oil. These directions were applicable for 1 year. Abhi kya hoga pata nahi, dekhna padega. Which currency derivatives are allowed in India? In India, currency derivatives are traded on National Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, Commodity Stock Exchange. A trader will buy one exchange on one exchange and sell on another for even a very small price difference. For instance, NSE futures UU or INR is traded at a rate of 87.25. The same futures trade is 87.27. Likewise, they are telling. So you please go through such questions when you get time, and individually you have to prepare, but the chances for this is very less. Unless you use a word derivative in your answer, they may not come and disturb you. But what is important is the other points that have been told. Okay, please go through that and prepare very well. Thank you. I think what is the time now? Getting time over. So thank you so much. Best wishes. Today so this is one problem. When we start studying deeply, we go deep into the subject. You say today I told you we will discuss most common interview question, but we have never reached that place. Before that, one question came, two questions came. So tomorrow again, when we meet, we will continue with most common interview questions, like say, why should we select you? What are your strengths? What are your likes? Like those questions we will discuss tomorrow. And how many of you have received the interview date? Boys, bata dijiye.
Sir, I have received 12th June.
Which date? June? 12th June.
Yes, 12th June.
Very
So,
good.
Jalpaiguri division. Yes,
So
sir.
Jalpaiguri, oh, Jalpaiguri wala. Acha baba. Good,
हाँ,
good, 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 good.
सर आपको सर
So,
पिक्चर भेजूंगा सर.
you please take a picture of Indian Bank Jalpaiguri and
Yes, sir.
send
Yes,
it
sir.
to. Yeah.
हाँ सर, मैंने सर रिमाइंडर सेट किया है, वो सर ऑब्वियसली भेजूंगा आपको.
Yeah, that is you take from outside and send it. And if anybody is there nearby that, you go and tell them this photograph I am taking for sake person who was second manager in the branch.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, sir.
Anyhow, thank you so much. So now based on today's, I know by studying in 1 hour, we don't learn more points, but we try to learn the points deeply, clearly, so that you can answer them very well. But what is most important na nalla pesa theriyano, manchi mata chevali, अच्छा बात करना है, आपने ठीक से बोलते हो बे, ये तो इम्पोर्टेंट है. आपको कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए. ठीक है? Best wishes. We will close this today. Tomorrow class will be at tomorrow date is 5th June. As usual, we will meet at 9 o'clock only. 9 p.m. 9 p.m. And in case some of your friends are interested in joining, please bring them early. Otherwise, it will get delayed. So you are all going to become ADO. Let me check how many of you can get 1 or 2 candidates for this. You must have the ability to convince others. Please practice करके देखो. लेकिन real LIC में तो आपको commission देगा. Here I will not give you any commission. I will only give you my blessings. That's all. समझ गया? Try कर लीजिए.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have also applied for LIC AAO, but I didn't clear in pre-exam. If interviewer asks, have you applied for AAO? Then what should be my answer, sir?
You can tell I applied AAO, but I have not cleared.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. But you told us that negative comments is not. You will reply.
No, but this is a factual. Na?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
This
sir,
is
one more doubt.
I have other doubt. I am graduated I have done BSc in biotechnology, and after did my switch to MBA. I have done MBA in finance and HR. So what should be the answer if they asked why you switched other streams for BSc to MBA commerce?
I switched to MBA thinking MBA में बहुत अच्छा prospects होगा.
Yes, sir.
इसलिए तो आया है. That's what it
Okay,
is.
sir. And others are I did not in marketing. I have done MBA in also in just finance and HR. If they asked why you did not in marketing, why you preferred this HR and finance, what should I tell, sir?
At that time हमको लगता था फाइनेंस में ज्यादा जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज मिलेगा, इसलिए हमने उसके लिया था. अभी लेकिन अभी इधर आने से तो हमको मार्केटिंग का चाहिए, बट हम तो सीख लेते, हम तो सीख लेंगे मार्केटिंग. आई हैव गिवन यू अ मटेरियल मार्केटिंग बुक, उसको पढ़ लीजिए.
Yes, definitely. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Sure, sir. I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, they asking recent caste certificate, but I have 2022 October. This is valid or not?
No. Regarding caste certificate and all, whatever doubts you are having, please go through the advertisement word by word. Then ask the doubt in the WhatsApp column. There will be other experienced candidates who will inform. I may not be having that much experience for that, because I am coming out of banking 22 years ago, and those days this much reservations were not there.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. Sir, I completed engineering, sir. Why you come to insurance? They will ask.
हमारा इंजीनियरिंग में जॉब नहीं है, इसलिए इधर आते हैं. उधर में जाने से तो नौकरी नहीं मिलता है, नौकरी मिलने से भी कंफर्म नहीं होता है, कंफर्म होने से भी तलब नहीं देता है.
सर वो नेगेटिव हो जाता है.
ये तो नेगेटिव है, तो नेगेटिव बात को नेगेटिव बताना है. See, yesterday a train accident was there. If they ask questions about that, you have to talk negative only. Whatever has happened only, आपने बोलना है. Negative का मतलब, you don't tell negative about yourself. Don't tell, sir, I cannot talk well with others. I cannot meet people. I cannot talk to girls. I cannot talk to boys. If you tell like that, that is all negative. Best